Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start supplementary. The first chapter is how the camel got his hump. Written by Rudyard Kipling. It is very humorous story about the camel, how he gains his hump, how he gets his hump. This is a perfect story of teaching lesson about working hard and helping others. So first of all, I would like to share the summary of this chapter so that you can understand the chapter during explanation. So let's start and listen to me carefully. It is told that in the beginning of the world, means when the world was new and all the animals were beginning to work for men. In the group of animals, there was a camel who lived in the middle of a howling desert, and he did not want to work. All day he ate sticks, thorns, and prickles. When anyone spoke the camel anything, he responded with hump. Once on Monday, the horse came and asked the camel to help trot. The camel replied, hump. The horse went away and told the man, means complained the man, that I asked the camel to work and helped in trotting, but he refused. So the horse went away and complained the man. On Tuesday, the dog came and asked the camel to help fetch and carry. The camel responded, hump. The dog also went away and told the man. On Wednesday, the ox came and asked the camel to help plow. The camel repeated the same word, means hump. The ox also went away and told the man. At the end of the day, the man called the three animals together. The man said, since 3 days the camel is not working, so you would have to do extra work to make up for him. This made the three very angry. When the camel was not working and the man loaded extra work on three animals, so all of them got very angry and talked and complained about the camel. Presently, there was a jinn who was in charge of all desert came. They asked, Sir, is it right for someone to be so lazy and not work? Means all three animals complained the in charge of all desert jinn about camel. So the jinn says that of course it is not right. It is very, very wrong. The jinn heads to the middle of the desert. He met to the middle in the middle of the desert the camel where he was seeing his reflection in the water. The jinn said the camel, "O camel, why are you not walking for 3 days? And you have been complained about by other animals. What is the matter?" But the camel responded the same word, "Hum." The jinn told the camel that since he has chosen not to work, he has given the 3 extra work. The camel says, "Hum." It was his habit, and only the camel was speaking hum, hum. The jinn warned the camel that if he says hum again and again, something bad may be. What do you mean? You are repeating the same word hum like this. If you would have repeated the same word, maybe something wrong with you. So what happened? As soon as the camel responds with hump again, and a huge hump grows on the back of the camel. The jinn told the camel that it is your own hump, and you have yourself brought this one, not by working. The jinn told the camel has to work, and the camel asked, "How can I walk with giant hump on his back?" Before he was repeating the same word hump, hump. Now he has got his hump, so he was told to do work. So he told, "How can I now walk, bringing a hump on my back?" Now he got an refusal. The jinn says the camel has to work. The jinn explains that the hump will hold enough, and it will be very helpful, it will be useful, and you will be able to work for 3 days without eating. So at last the camel went to join the 3, and from that day always has a hump. This is you can say it is a history of getting hump. The camel has yet to catch up with the work that missed in the beginning of the world, and he has not yet learned how to behave. Okay, thanks, goodbye.